Hello, this is a recording for Monday, February 23rd. Today's practice is titled Relax to Re-Energize. It is designed to stop tension from draining your energy. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few nice, easy breaths in and out. We often hold tension without realizing it. So bring awareness into your body now. Scan for any areas of tension, holding, tightness, effort. Could you make any of those areas soften, loosen up, release, or use less effort? As you do this, focus on one area of the body at a time, releasing tension, using a little less effort. I'll be silent for a while. Have you found any areas in the body that are tense that don't really need to be? Often it's the jaw, shoulders, hands. Be aware that tension is stealing your energy. To reduce this energy loss, release extra effort. Release tension. Allow your body to fall into a state of more ease. Loose, flexible, flowing. Energy flowing effortlessly, moving you toward a state of ease. The more effortless you become, the more easily energy flows, the easier the action feels. The more effortless you become, the less energy is expended. The more energy you conserve for the rest of your day. Allow your body to settle into ease. Energy flowing freely. Action becoming fluid. Mind becoming calmer and calmer. Body and mind at ease, while active in the world. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. Less effort, conserving energy, while being active in the world. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.